And today we're going to draw someone from the royal family of England. There's been a lot of brouhaha lately about these characters, and of course the Queen just died, but we're going to be drawing Prince William, Prince of Wales. He's not an exceptional character, we're drawing him front on, and I'm going to try to get a good likeness in a simple suit and tie. This is a good human being drawing day practice. Here I go. You can download a free printable for this drawing. Please follow the link in the description. You can reduce the speed to 0.25 times or 0.5 times from YouTube settings. If you like pencil sketching, please do visit our channel, Art for All Sketching. I'll share the link in the description. Now it's time for coloring. We'll speed up the video. Pause or adjust the speed if needed. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you soon.